Hey guys, stay tuned for Mail Call. Hey guys, Francis back with the Texas Roadrunners. I almost forgot the name of my channel, right? Well, I guess bear with me. I just been out of the hospital a couple days ago. It was not pleasant at all. So anyway, Kirk North of 51 up in Canada had a giveaway. Kirk is like a crafter, okay? He's pretty good. He does a lot of do-it-yourself and crafting videos, which is what I enjoy. If you watch back in some of my earlier videos, you see some of the do-it-yourself projects and crafting projects that I've been doing. But I finally got it, and I'm gonna leave a link down below in the description to that video of what he made for me. Basically, you know, I'll pull out more stuff later, but it is a wine holder. It looks like a fish, and it's kind of angled here, and this is kind of how it's set up for. And folks, this is how this little wine bottle holder works. So the fish is kind of on its angled there. The wine bottle goes through the hole in the center, and I'm just doing a little walk around. And there you go. Little fish wine bottle holder. So he gave me one that was completely finished. It looks like a navy blue, painted like a, you know, obviously a fish. But he also gave me 3 more. So I could go ahead and paint my own design if I wish. And of course I do wish. And so now that my sister's here and my other sister's coming in, maybe we can get some of them youngins to work in the garage, right? I don't know, we'll see. But you saw how it worked, and this was all that I was expecting, to be honest with you. But he did provide me a couple other items, which I'll show you. So, this is really, really cool. He made this ice fishing rig. Again, I'm in Texas. We don't do ice fishing here, right? So, but I did make a shadow box full of ice fishing stuff, antique stuff, and maybe I can try to work this in there somehow or another, or just put it on the shelf, because it does look pretty cool. I like it. And so this is an unexpected surprise. Next is it's a flag. And I think this is a flag of his province. I think he's from, oh gosh, Newfoundland. I think it's Newfoundland is where he's from. And yeah, Newfoundland flag. So that was cool. I mean, you know, down here on the Gulf Coast of Texas, you know, Canada's so way on up there, it's hard to imagine. That's what's kind of cool about, you know, social media like YouTube. You know, you get to meet people from other areas of the country and the world, right? There's some more stuff in here. In fact, he gave me a little letter here. I guess I better read. I feel like I still have all that damn Dilaudid in my system. Okay, Francis, this is the fishing line I use to make for ice fishing. So I think he's talking about this. Be nice to put on your shelf, which is true. This is my province flag, Newfoundland. So that was that flag I just showed you. Thanks for the support, Kirk North of 51. Okay, so there's more stuff in here. It's all a bunch of surprises. And this is really cool because, you know, here in Texas, yeah, it does get cold, you know, during certain times of year, and you need a cap. And I don't have a cap, right? But here's one from Canada, so I got one. And you know what's cool about this? I know a lot of you guys around the country don't know what Aggies are. It's people who graduated from Texas A&M, and our school color is maroon. So this is pretty cool. Maroon with a little deer right here. So, and there's one more item. Another Canadian cap right here, and with a little deer right here. So Kirk, if you're out there watching, thank you very much. I really like the shop that you're working out of. That's pretty cool. I'm just working out in my old garage on my projects. But anyway, that's all I have to show for you guys for now for this version of Mail Call. If I win or get more stuff, I'll of course try to post it. Until next time, you guys take care.
I'm Francis Kiefel, and I approved this video.